Push it.
A little whacking of the bushes.
Bushwhacker. Totally unnecessary.
What is the front end stuck on?
Oh. Damn, something's gripping. These shoes have a lot of grip. These things, yeah. Gotta get a fresh pair of
Joint
shoes. Yeah, I always wear my 510s, but
Oh, camera, I hope you got that.
oh god. All the way up into the brown reach, but back up the hill and come down. Makes that left hand really easier. Oh, look at you. You don't even need reverse. So beautiful. Oh god. Oh.
Oh, I was looking at the front, not the back.
We got into desert trucks.
I think we got into many beers.
That thing's just being loud all over the National Forest. Yeah. If they come over here, I would be like, dude, that thing sucks. It's so loud. Like, yes, it's not really loud.
You won't.
It doesn't even make it faster. No, does it? It's just a sound upgrade. And even then, I want to do an upgrade. Definitely not an upgrade, dude. Whoa.
Aww. Dude, this is too funny. We bumped into this whole group on our way out on Saturday, or whatever day we actually left. Friday. Today's Saturday. Yeah. And stood and chatted with them for a while, and they're wheeling by as we're wheeling our toy cars. And they all have Russian accents and live in Sacramento. What's the name of the club? Ultimate Adventure Off-Road Club? That way I can look it up later. I forgot I needed a windsock, but I got it windsocked now. Oh. Little folder.
Okay. Oh.
Easy peasy.
Just getting in there, I think is the deal. I gotta come down to that. I just send it. For once, Mark has a narrower rig than I do. Yeah. Just the rear. I think the front, oh no, your front's wider than me too.
It's as narrow as I can get it. All the way around.
It doesn't get any narrower?
It doesn't get any narrower than that. I always don't like that.
It looks really wide.
It is. That was why I built it with 2 2s at first. I'm like, this looks kind of goofy with 1 lens. But, you know, it's a small sacrifice. For a one
wheel's pretty good.
What?
1600 to build?
The rig's like 3 something, and then put a system in it and a servo. But I built the chassis.
Oh, it's 3 something? Oh,
yeah, yeah, that chassis that's built. Like,
okay.
It's a.
That's not fair.
That's not fair.
Yeah.
I only changed shock angle a little bit and reduced the travel of them, but the link's bolted to the skid plate.
Yeah, I saw that. I was looking at that.
The chassis,
so you didn't mess with any of the geometry.
I did a link riser in the back, like a $20 aluminum part you bolt onto it. That helped out a bunch because it was just like sniffing and scratching at first, stock. They didn't have enough bite. They didn't push on the front end and the rear didn't drive in hard enough. So there's a link riser.
Find out.
Yeah. I mean, the chassis only added weight, but visually it's cooler. Because I was able to put a body on it. It's a Capra.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it is a Capra.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Boot factory dig.
I thought it was a Vanquish. That's your other rig.
Yeah. Another rig. Yeah, the Vanquish trucks, you know, it's like $1,500 by the time it's all finished. It's like $750 for the. Yeah. Fucking love it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I don't like the shocks, but.
Yeah.
I got Proline shocks on it right now that seem like they're marginally. That one looks like a cool truck.
People should just give us stuff free all the time.
It's pretty awesome. We only say good things.
Yeah.
And we use them right.
We only have nice things to say.
Did
you go that way or this way?
Yeah, no. Keep going up.
Oh. I guess you could run the wedge. Watch out for the plank. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna hold that edge. Michael would have liked that one. Oh God.
Yes. Mine's a hula hand, dude.
Oh, just like that.
Oh, just walked in?
Just have to pick the correct area and go the correct speed.
Oh, you just fucking cookie nookie right there.
Comp rig. Oh.
I went too aggressive.
He ran out of finesse. He's doing it again. Yes.
I made it look real easy.
I was gonna drive down in there and do that one, but I got distracted.
By what, shiny stuff?
You guys. And then I moved my truck, and then I was like, oh, forgot.
I was gonna drive on out and I saw Mark. What was I gonna do?
Oh. Oh wait, can we wheel back up here and park cool and take a picture with all this back here?
Yes!
That was awesome.
The wheel.
Yeah.
That is great.
That was tender.
That's the line. Oh yeah, I like it. That's what I want to do.
It's fighting on both ends.
Dude, that thing is nasty.
Eventually I'll have most of it.
Sat there. No, it wasn't. It was Cameron who got it. Because Rich Dog never came out here. Rich Dog's never been here. But Rich Dog had some lines against us when we were on the old 40 above Cisco Grove.
Yeah.
He would do the big burnt granite.
Yeah.
We would like bump
Maybe
it
that,
and then
yeah.
like manual up the hill. Like what the?
Just
what is
full
going
hookup.
on?
Full hookup.
Yeah.
Where to next, boys?
We're gonna try to trail down. I think.
Yeah.
Do some dissensions.
Yeah.
Dissension. Maximum dissension.
There's a bunch of dissent in this audience.
Does anybody? Bunch of dissenters. Does anybody want to trail lead or?
No, I think we're having.
Unless you don't want to.
No, I'm fine.
You're doing fantastic.
Yeah. I'll just end up doing comp lines and rolling all over them.
Yeah, my truck's a lot safer with you up front.
Oh, into Castle Crag. Crag nasty. The big dipper right there. Oh, dude. Oh. Making it look easy. Well, I'm trying to go right, but it wants to go left. Oh, that's a descent.
Oh, the skid plate pivot.
That was sick.
Is it duplicable?
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 Duplicable. Duplicatable.
What did I say?
That's what I said. Booby trap.
Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, no.
It's not what you were hoping for. Oh, skid plate pivot, here it comes.
Yes.
Oh, I didn't do it.
Do it now. Do it now.
Oh, punch it.
That's not what he meant. Oh, reverse for a little bit. There you go. Now you can drive back up.
It's like back in the day. Everybody had AIDS too. Man line right there. Ooh. Oh, nice. Oh, look at this guy. He's getting mastered. He might have the same fate as I.
Oh, look at that. It's that tactical reversing.
Oh, nice set.
He's gonna go in. Dropping.
I was clinching again.
To really take that audible sound out. Oh god.
Yeah, your dead giveaway.
Yeah.
Hey, he's pushing his cheater button again.
Are they still making the Hertz dig?
Yeah. Yeah, they brought it back and they even put a transmission in a bag. Like full Vanquish kitted out in a bag. Here you go.
Wood chipper? Yeah.